Tired of journal rejections? You have written a wonderful paper, still you are unable to identify the right journal and quality publication. Here is a step-by-step guide. Within 2 minutes, you will understand how to locate a right journal for your paper. I'll show you the practical demo. There is a tool called Elsevier Journal Finder. I will tell you quickly. Just go to journalfinder.elsevier.com. You will land into this particular page. Whatever the abstract you have already written, for the sake of showing you, I have taken my abstract. I have already copied this. Then I am pasting here. Look at there. Then I click find journals. So immediately I get to know the detail. What are the journal is fitting into my abstract? Journal of Aging Studies, Reproductive Biomedicine, all those things are there. So here the next beautiful thing is you can understand from each journal what is the impact factor, site score, time to first decision, time to acceptance, and is there any public subscription fee and other details. Based on this, you can check and you can decide. Here you can, for instance, the time to first decision, it is given up to 365 days. If you want to filter it out, you can reduce to even just to only you want 1 month, then it will the search you can refine. So whatever the way you want to add these other metrics, you can add it. You can decide. So here it's beautiful. 1.8 impact factor, 22 days you will get a result. See, time to first decision means whether journal at least takes your paper for the further review. That's a first decision. Don't think that first decision means it is accepted. No. After that, it will be sent to the reviewer. Then you will have a reviewer comments and all those things. That's what the maximum this particular journal may take up to 296 days to accept. That means the first reviewer gives the comment, second reviewer, and in that process, it may take the maximum time to acceptance is 295 days. So here probably it is too heavy, too high for you. You cannot wait such a long time. What you can do, go here is time to acceptance 365. So you can change into, you can wait up to 6 months. So just to select only 180 days. Just to select 180 days. Yeah. Now look at there. Yeah, now that the journal is removed because they are taking 294 days. That's why it is not coming now. Within 6 months, you want to understand a particular, you want to get to know the journal, whether they'll accept, you can go to this. This is acceptance 114 days. And another important feature you should understand, the acceptance rate of a particular journal. Look at there. This is 18%. Whenever you submit a paper to this particular journal, the maximum acceptance rate is only 18%. In case you come down certain things, it will not be there. But you look at that, this one, Health and Place, this journal, they will decide within 4 days whether to take it for a review or not. But they will take 147 days to take the final, in case if it is accepted, it will take 147 days to publish. And in that way, you can check all those details and you can use it free to. Very importantly, you decide based on the time you have and how long you can wait. Accordingly, you can check. And once you have decided, then go to view journal, submit paper. Just click the submit paper and it will take you to the particular journal. Here, please kindly read these instructions for authors and understand how they will expect the paper, type of paper, and every details are given. Please go through the author guideline properly, then submit the paper to them. Got it? This is how you need to do the thing, and I hope it will be useful. By the way, I am Dr. Rajshekharan. I do a lot of research related videos. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button, as well as like and share to your friends, let them get benefited. I'll catch you in the next video with another beautiful tip. Bye-bye.